This is the I Ching's answer. Omen.
Great fortune. Gathering brings great fortune. If asking about an exam or application, you will succeed.
Advice.
Joint efforts brings great joy. Great or highly valuable people are gathering.
Symbol.
The carp jumps over the dragon's gate to reunite with its kind. It is a sacred meeting.
The image.
You walk through a shopping mall, passing by a gym where you see people working out. You smile because you also exercise. You pass a bookstore and are surprised to recognize many of the books on display. You put in the effort and deserve self-recognition. At a Japanese restaurant, you notice a man scolding a child, while the chef rescues a fish the child threw into the fire. The chef, wearing an uniform embroidered with a phoenix and beating light burns on his hands, smiles and says to the man, "It's okay, I saved the fish in time." You think, there was good fortune, but not much. This story reflects effort, doing the right thing, and not behaving like a child. It doesn't foretell immense fortune. But listen, there will be a gathering. If you approach with prayers and requests, both kings and gods will hear you. This is a time for perseverance. The phoenix signifies renewal or rebirth. A significant sacrifice is required, and then great fortune will arrive.
Hexagram 45. Kai. Gathering. Birds of the same feather. This is an hexagram of June, favorable in spring and autumn. The predominant stage.
The subject in a high position reaches down to lift others to higher positions. Fish and birds gather according to their characteristics and habits. Gatherings require a leader. The subject lives in a great era. To legitimize themselves, they must make a significant sacrifice. The captain of a ship always keeps their weapons ready and their crew well trained. Willpower and strength come together. It's necessary to show reverence to heaven and to be the host of capable and skilled individuals. Elites gather around a great king. A carp and a dragon reunite.
The earth supports heavens and expands all over to house life. This is your gift, earth, the third reason to be happy every day. Go out to life, like and subscribe. The mobile or mutable lines for your hexagrams video is right below on the description. The complete list and table of hexagrams is also in the description. Next, interpretations related to love, laboral development, inner development, and social networks. About love.
If asking about someone who has a strong affinity with you, there is no need to ask further. You are meant for each other. Great fortune. There is a possibility of commitment. If the subject is completing their detoxification process and closing their previous relationship, they are likely to meet someone going through the same experience right now. Great fortune. It's natural for people with shared interests to end up together. The subject is dignified and powerful. If they make a significant sacrifice, they will find good fortune. Renewal arrives at an opportune moment. Good fortune. Good fortune for proposing or announcing an engagement.
About work and business.
If you are an employee, The meeting of the best members is about to occur, and your name is on the list. If you are an entrepreneur, this is the time to select the best among your staff to initiate a major renewal project. In politics, a major change is happening. Only the best will be included in the new consolidation. You are invited. Legitimization for renewal is crucial, especially if planning to leave a successor in charge, or if there is a shift in power. Everyone must clearly see that the successor is capable and respected by the project's best members. The leader or boss calls the most skilled individuals to join them, offering new roles. Good fortune for appointments and promotions. If you are a leader, this is the moment for the ceremony of legitimization. Renewal during times of great abundance brings good fortune. Good omen for changes or renewals.
About personal development.
The subject has achieved a great transformation through their own effort. Now is the time for renewal. A second wind will elevate things higher. This involves a significant sacrifice, as the new phoenix is still young after the transformation. It is the image of an expert rising to compete with elites, becoming a novice again, but at a higher level. A man cuts and polishes a piece of jade, renewing himself through his own effort. When something is new or recently renewed, it won't yield the same as something mature. Patience brings good fortune. A new leader requires maturity and legitimization. This calls for a significant sacrifice. Being a great host means paying detailed attention to everything entrusted to you.
Networks and social media.
The Great Gathering will escalate projects to a new level. Prepare to relearn while using your great skills to the fullest. Welcome to the elite level, immortal. This hexagram has an excellent affinity, or Chi, with content related to high society, major corporations, and entrepreneurs, masters of all arts, including martial arts, outstanding athletes, and top-tier sport coverage. Be the best host to your guest. You are the central star. If called to the gathering, don't doubt yourself. You were invited for your great value. Renewal brings good fortune, but requires time to practice with your new tools.
We need your support. Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.
The Great Gathering is taking place. Advanced beings are about to choose their leader. Acting together leads to extraordinary achievements.